Every Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra begins here, where the Earth reveals the rare minerals that power tomorrow's technology.
Raw ore transforms into refined compounds through crushing forces that mimic geological pressure.
Through precise chemistry, impure ore becomes battery-grade lithium with 99.9% purity.
Silicon crystals grow millimeter by millimeter, forming the foundation of computational power.
Each wafer holds hundreds of future processors, sliced thinner than human hair. 17 rare earth elements separate atom by atom for acoustic precision engineering.
Ethical sourcing transforms conflict minerals into certified components for global technology.
Light itself will bend through this glass with zero distortion at 200 megapixels. Petroleum transforms through molecular chains into the precise polymers that house innovation. From 5 continents, raw materials converge at the threshold of transformation. The journey from raw earth to finished device begins with precision logistics across 3 continents. Every minute matters as time-sensitive materials race toward fabrication deadlines.
Silicon wafers travel in environments cleaner than hospital operating rooms.
From across oceans, the rarest elements on Earth arrive under watchful security.
Enclosures. Blockchain technology ensures every gram of precious metal traces back to ethical sources.
Optical precision demands air transport where every second of reduced vibration protects nanometer tolerances.
Artificial intelligence sorts materials faster than human perception, ensuring zero mixing errors.
Regulatory compliance checkpoints validate every shipment meets international transport safety standards.
Through mountain corridors, modern logistics infrastructure enables 24-hour uninterrupted delivery. Multimodal transport networks synchronize rail, road, and sea into seamless material flow.
Multi-layered security protocols protect supply chain integrity from source to assembly line.
At Samsung's Digital Citadel, raw materials transform into the world's most advanced mobile technology.
Airlocks preserve semiconductor manufacturing's ultra-clean environment from external contamination. Autonomous vehicles orchestrate a ballet of materials, never sleeping, never erring. Only after passing 63 quality checkpoints do materials earn entry to the fabrication theater. This is where Samsung manufactures 350,000 Galaxy S25 Ultra devices daily. Through these doors, 15,000 engineers and technicians enter daily to craft technological excellence.
Real-time dashboards reveal production pulse, every device tracked from component to carton.
Biometric security ensures only authorized personnel access areas where million-dollar equipment operates. Corridors function as arteries, channeling human expertise toward precision manufacturing zones. Human presence, the greatest contamination risk, is contained within 17 layers of particle barriers. Yellow light protects photoresist chemistry, while HEPA filters scrub air to Class 1 purity standards.
$300 million of lithography precision stands ready to etch Samsung's future, 1 nanometer at a time.
Below pristine manufacturing spaces, industrial arteries pulse with power, coolant, and gases sustaining billion-dollar tools.
Engineers command the factory from mission control, where data visualization reveals patterns invisible to floor-level observation.
Every 8 hours, 1,500 technicians orchestrate seamless transition, ensuring fabrication never pauses, never falters.
Each silicon wafer begins purification through 14 cleaning stages, removing contamination at atomic scale.
Nitrogen knives, sculpted from compressed gas, remove water without molecular residue or surface contact.
Laser scattering reveals invisible contamination, detecting particles 50 times smaller than bacteria. Atomic force microscopy maps silicon landscapes where mountains and valleys measure single atoms high.
25 perfect wafers unite as a production line, their atomic destinies now intertwined through fabrication.
Automated chemistry delivers corrosive precision on demand, measuring reagents in milliliters while managing thousands of liters.
Precision cleaning demands precision maintenance. Tools that purify silicon must themselves achieve perfection.
Only after statistical validation confirms atomic cleanliness do wafers earn passage to lithography's sacred chambers. This $200 million machine harnesses light from artificial stars to etch Samsung's most advanced 3-nanometer processor designs. Photoresist films thinner than bacteria spread across silicon, preparing to capture circuit patterns from EUV illumination. Extreme ultraviolet photons carve transistor pathways smaller than viruses, defining intelligence in silicon crystal.
Thermal catalysis amplifies exposed patterns through molecular cascade. One photon triggers 1,000 molecular transformations.
Developer chemistry reveals hidden patterns as exposed resist dissolves, unveiling circuit roadmaps etched by light. Plasma ions sculpt silicon with atomic precision, carving three-dimensional transistor architectures at nanometer scale. Oxygen plasma consumes sacrificial resist masks, revealing transistor sculptures carved into crystalline silicon substrate. Electron microscopy measures what light cannot see, transistor dimensions smaller than DNA molecules. Accelerated ions penetrate silicon crystal lattice, implanting atomic impurities that control electrical conductivity. Electrochemistry fills atomic-scale trenches with copper, creating interconnect highways for electrical signals at 3-nanometer nodes. Mechanical polishing, guided by chemistry, creates surfaces flatter than telescope mirrors, preparing for next lithography layer.
Transmission electron microscopy peers inside finished transistors, verifying nanometer architecture built through 100 process steps.
Backgrinding transforms rigid silicon into flexible substrate thin as human hair, preparing individual processors for liberation. Diamond blades separate silicon cities into individual processors, each containing 15 billion transistors in fingernail-sized real estate.
Robotic precision sorts silicon wheat from chaff, selecting only processors passing billion-cycle stress testing.
Silver epoxy bonds silicon brain to communication substrate, creating thermal pathway, dissipating 10 watts of processing heat. Golden threads, thinner than spider silk, carry gigabit signals between silicon processor and external world.
Laser light brands each processor with identity and lineage, enabling traceability from sand to smartphone.
Mass customization separates and shapes individual processors, preparing silicon for electrical validation trials. Electrical interrogation validates 15 billion transistors function perfectly before processors enter smartphones destined for global markets. Thermal torture spanning 48 hours eliminates weak processors, ensuring only silicon champions reach consumer hands. 8 precision lenses focus light onto 200 million pixels, capturing smartphone photography rivaling professional cameras. Organic molecules emit pure light, creating displays with infinite contrast and colors matching nature's full spectrum. Lithium ions shuttle between graphite and metal oxide, creating electrochemical potential, powering full-day smartphone operation. 3,000 components converge onto 12-layer circuit board, creating smartphone's electronic nervous system in automated ballet. 90 seconds of electrical interrogation validates smartphone brain function before marriage with display, battery, and chassis. 47 robots orchestrate precision ballet, assembling 300 Galaxy S25 Ultra devices hourly in synchronized perfection. Vision systems inspect aluminum frames at microscopic scale, while precision dispensers apply adhesive bonds measured in millimeters. Collaborative robots handle volatile lithium cells with human-like gentleness, while torque sensors ensure structural integrity through calibrated fastening. 6-axis precision installs smartphone brain with 14 fasteners,
while force sensors confirm electrical contacts mate within micron tolerances. Optical precision bonds curved display to chassis, while pressure mapping ensures adhesive contact across 18,000 square millimeters.
Quad camera precision demand robotic accuracy, placing optical systems within 50 micron tolerances, while calibration ensures focus infinity alignment.
12 antennas integrate throughout chassis architecture, enabling simultaneous 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and ultra-wideband connectivity across spectrum.
45 seconds of automated interrogation validates 127 functional parameters, creating digital birth certificate for every device.
Graphite sheets and vapor chambers transform concentrated processor heat into distributed warmth, preventing performance throttling during intensive operation. Electromagnetic stylus integrates 4096 pressure levels with sub-9 millisecond latency, rivaling professional digital drawing tablets.
Gorilla Glass armored back panel bonds through 16 precision snap points and ultrasonic corner welds, achieving IP68 waterproof rating.
24 cameras and 3-dimensional laser scanning inspect 156 parameters, ensuring physical perfection before software awakens hardware.
28 gigabytes of Android intelligence downloads in 14 seconds, awakening hardware into smartphone consciousness through one UI interface. 120 seconds of comprehensive validation exercises every sensor, radio, camera, and interface, ensuring 5-star quality before retail journey.
Robotic logistics routes completed smartphones through digital nervous system, tracking each device from silicon wafer to sealed retail box. Spectrophotometric precision ensures color consistency within delta E values invisible to human perception across million-unit production lines. Vacuum lamination in particle-free environment applies protective film, achieving optical clarity matching bare glass while preventing scratches. Micro machine ports and force-calibrated buttons deliver tactile precision, surviving 100,000 activation cycles across device lifetime.
Anechoic isolation validates stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos tuning, delivering concert hall acoustics from smartphone-sized chambers.
Magnetic field optimization enables 45-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless power transfer with 85% efficiency. Ultrasonic fingerprint mapping and 3-dimensional facial topology create biometric fortress with 1 in 50,000 false acceptance probability.
Colorimetric calibration delivers professional-grade color accuracy with delta E values imperceptible to human vision across AMOLED's infinite content. Radio frequency calibration across 67 5G bands ensures global connectivity from sub-gigahertz to 41 gigahertz millimeter wave spectrum. Quad camera optical calibration ensures 200 megapixel main sensor resolves detail matching professional cameras, while stabilization compensates 3-degree angular shape. 30 minutes submersion at 1.5 meters depth validates IP68 fortress engineering, protecting electronics from aquatic environments and dust infiltration. High velocity impacts from 1.5 meters validate Gorilla Glass armor and aluminum chassis engineering, surviving real-world accident scenarios. 32 megapixel vision systems inspect surfaces under 16 lighting angles, detecting micro defects smaller than human hair diameter.
Final firmware synchronization installs day 1 security patches and regional software preparing devices for global market deployment across 187 countries.
Accessory validation ensures 45-watt fast charging capability and USB 3.2 data transmission across bundled cables meeting regional market requirements. Final quality gate validates 312 parameters, creating digital twin, documenting complete journey from raw silicon to retail-ready smartphone. 50,000 square feet of certified testing infrastructure subjects random production systems to torture exceeding decades of normal smartphone usage. 200 temperature cycles between Arctic cold and desert heat validate component resilience across Earth's climate extremes, from Siberia to Sahara.
168 hours and 85% humidity sauna validates seal integrity, preventing moisture corruption of sensitive electronics.
Electromagnetic vibration spanning 10 to 2000 Hz and 100 G shock pulses validate structural integrity, surviving transportation and accidental trauma.
1,000 charge cycles and nail penetration torture validate lithium-ion safety engineering, preventing thermal runaway catastrophes reported in inferior designs. 1 million touch interactions and MOS 7 scratch resistance validate Gorilla Glass armor engineering, surviving keys, coins, and daily punishment.
Typical bank metrology quantifies 200 megapixel resolving power and modulation transportation and operations activity and natural observation.
Electromagnetic compatibility validation ensures devices coexist peacefully in radio frequency spectrum without interference across 9 kHz to 40 GHz.
Anechoic acoustic measurements validate stereo speakers achieving 92 decibels and Dolby Atmos spatial positioning with sub-degree accuracy.
5G radio frequency validation confirms 10 gigabit throughput on millimeter wave and seamless handover across 67 global frequency bands. 10,000 penetration attempts using fake fingerprints and facial masks validate ultrasonic liveness detection and three-dimensional depth sensing, defeating spoofing attacks.
Accelerated aging compresses 5-year lifespan with a new piece of continuous work, validating device longevity and performance configuration first time.
12 parallel packaging lines sort devices by 21 configuration variants, routing each Galaxy S25 Ultra to precisely matched retail presentation. Premium packaging crafted from 90% recycled materials balances environmental responsibility with luxury unboxing experience befitting flagship smartphone. Tamper-evident seals and serialized authentication code protect supply chain integrity, while weight verification confirms complete packaging contents. Regional customization adapts packaging contents across 187 countries, accommodating diverse power standards, languages, carriers, and regulatory requirements. Master cartons consolidate 20 retail units into shipping-ready configuration, protecting $120,000 of flagship smartphones per pallet.
Stretch-wrapped pallets containing 1,200 devices each await distribution across global logistic networks spanning 6 continents.
Robotic cranes navigating 60-foot high racks manage 847,000 device inventory with sub-meter positioning accuracy across 400,000 square feet.
Air and ocean freight networks distribute Galaxy S25 Ultra across 6 continents, delivering flagship technology in 180 days within 7 days.
The final mile delivery places Galaxy S25 Ultra in 2,000 retail locations daily, enabling customers to experience flagship innovation moments after factory completion. 1 to 5 minutes after selecting Galaxy S25 Ultra, customer departs fully activated beginning journey with device born from silicon 3 months prior in Samsung fabrication facility. And this is how modern factories produce Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra from start to finish. Comment what factory tour you want next.